This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by greeting the customer immediately, a brief smile and eye contact to establish trust. Once acknowledged, make a fast assessment. Scan what they hold and read their posture to gauge urgency. Ask a single, targeted question to uncover need, budget, or time frame. This focuses the interaction. Explain why. A concise assessment saves time and prevents irrelevant suggestions. Make sure to confirm their priority aloud, then move directly into offering 2 or 3 tailored options based on that confirmation. You now present options tailored to the confirmed priority, starting with the best fit. Explain how each choice solves their problem. Highlight one benefit first, then a secondary plus. Use a quick demo or side-by-side comparison to show differences, touch, fit, or feature count so they can see rather than imagine. Once done, cite a short customer example or rating to build confidence. Make sure to ask which detail matters most, then narrow to a final recommended product or service. You close by confirming the selection and restating price, warranty, and return policy to avoid surprises. Process payment efficiently and mention a relevant add-on or loyalty option only if it genuinely adds value. Once done, summarize next steps: pickup, delivery, or setup. If the customer hesitates, offer a small trial, hold, or alternate that lowers risk and keeps momentum. If a problem arises later, instruct them to return within the stated window for a quick exchange. This reduces friction and preserves satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.